Okay, just back up right there. It's fine. Cover the top. Good, Benida. Back up right there. Woo! Woo!
Wow.
Okay. Take the tape off of the other ones. Actually, there's no tape. You just take the thing there and bend it outwards. Plant it in the ground somewhere. Okay.
And what it was. Okay. Can you use the light to help me?
Oops.
Okay. Oh, just take the tape off, bend it outwards. Woohoo! Do 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 do.
I got 3 of them planted.
Okay, good. This one's a poppy. Look.
Mm-hmm.
No, that's the thing. Come here.
It's a poppy.
Oh, that's not one of the small ones. That's the one that you got the berry. That one goes in here. That's not one of the small ones, apparently. Keep that here. Okay. These ones are buried. Okay. Malik, you got the lighter. You know how to use a lighter?
Yeah, I know.
Point it towards that way, not towards the thing.
Watch your fingers.
So,
Let Leonard do it.
Buddy.
Let Leonard do it.
there.
Okay.
I want to do it. Oh gosh.